right now. Come on. See it? Street car. Street car, baby. Street car, baby. Street car, baby. You under dig? Bet y'all want to see the other side of shit too. You know, I think the other side looks as good as this side. Yes. Sunday fun day. When I get a hot street cars, I gotta tap it. Sunday fun day. When I get a hot, one hand on the switch. Gotta do my tail lights. We got some details to add. We got some things I gotta do to it. We gotta clean up the engine bay. Come on now. Clean. Watch it duck, watch it duck. Watch it duck. Watch it duck. Watch it duck, watch it duck. Alright, let me give y'all a few licks, I'm done. Let me give y'all a few licks and I'm gonna take it outside. Come on, man. Street car. Street car. Finished yesterday. That's the name of it. That ain't nothing. I can put that wheel on. Still street car. Laying in the weed. Real street car. Come on now. Come on now. You're lying if you say it ain't clean. Complete. Drive shaft. We're gonna go back and chrome it. We do shit like the king of Chevys around here. Yeah, you see what? You see that? Real street car. Come on now. Stop it.